Hello friends, welcome to Shriram's. The topic for today's discussion is Draft National Drone Policy. Backstory. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has issued draft rules to ensure the ease of using drones in India on the basis of trust, self-certification and non-intrusive monitoring. What is a drone? Drone is a layman technology for unmanned aircraft. What are the different types of unmanned aircrafts? There are three subsets of unmanned aircrafts, namely remote piloted aircraft, autonomous aircraft, and model aircraft. What are the benefits of drones? Drones offer low-cost, safe, and quick aerial surveys for data collection and are useful for industries such as power, mining, realty, oil and gas exploration, railways, and highways. They are also effective in relief and rescue work and in policing. Are there any problems with their uses? Yes, drones can be misused, such as Saudi Aramco drone attack and recent attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. They have also been alleged to be used for dropping weapons and drugs in India from across the border. What are the existing laws for drone regulation in India? The Unmanned Aircraft System Rules 2020 is a set of rules that aims to regulate the production, import, trade, ownership, establishment of drone ports, and operation of UAS. Additionally, National Counter Rogue Drones Guidelines 2019 have suggested a number of measures to counter rogue drones depending on the vitality of assets being protected. What are the changes made in the present draft policy? The number of forms to be filled to operate drones in the countries have been reduced to 6 in the Draft Drone Rules 2021 in comparison to 25 forms mentioned under the Unmanned Aircraft System Rules 2021. Has the process become simpler now? Yes. The draft rules have abolished the requirement for various approvals including Certificate of Conformance, Certificate of Maintenance, Import Clearance, Acceptance of Existing Drones, Operator Permit, Authorization of R&D Organization, and Student Remote Pilot License. What is the Digital Sky platform which is being discussed? Digital Sky is a Ministry of Civil Aviation initiative, a highly secure and scalable platform which supports technology framework such as NPNT or No Permission No Takeoff, designed for enabling flight permission digitally and managing unmanned aircraft operations and traffic efficiently. What does the policy say about it? Digital Sky will also serve as a unified platform for users to obtain the mandatory registration number and remote pilot license, and people will need to check the service to determine if any restrictions are in place before they fly a drone at a location. What are the broad objectives which the draft policy is aiming to seek? The objective of the policy is to enable more types of unmanned aircraft operational scenarios, increase the ease of compliance for unmanned aviation industry, and ensure safety and security. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's podcast.